Okay, I know you're looking at my chair right now, but a little bit ago I was doing an update on my dx8g2, and I got the system fault. Now, I tried to hold the wheel down and do it. I try holding the roller down too, because that's a trick. And it didn't work. So, hang on, let me pause this here. Well, that didn't work. Well, there's not really too many videos on YouTube, except for one from about 7 years ago. So I thought I'd do an updated one. What you do is, as you turn your radio on, you hold the wheel down, and you turn it on. Now this isn't going to go to the system fault because I already fixed it. But what you do is you keep holding it down. You keep holding the wheel down. And it will eventually, after about 20 seconds, it will come up with your menu. And then that's it. It's usually from a corrupt file or something, but this works on almost all the system faults. This also comes directly from Spektrum as how to fix. So it's not something that's, like a hack or going to void your warranty or anything like that. Of course, after you do it, you want to check your signal, do a range check, make sure everything is set up right. But don't panic like I did. I mean, I went totally apeshit.